Android TV doesn't have a built-in alarm feature, but with a simple app, you can set alarms easily. In this video, I'll show you how to set an alarm on Android TV using an app. So let's get started. Open Play Store on your Android TV. Go to Search Bar and search Next Alarm Clock. Install app and open. Click here this plus icon to set alarm. Customize the alarm you like. Click here and press OK to allow display overlay permission. And that's it. Now your Android TV can wake you up or remind you on time. If this video helped you, give it a like, share it, and subscribe for more Android TV tips. Thanks for watching.